Sri Gadadhar Pandit Prabhu.
今日咧，我哋係榮耀 Bhaktivinoda Thakur 嘅引職日啦，同時咧亦都係榮耀Gadadhar Pandit 嘅引職日。
This morning we shared something already.
咁今朝早咧，我哋已經分享咗一啲嘅內容㗎啦。
And this afternoon there is not too much time.
咁今個晏晝咧，我哋就唔係有太多嘅內容講。
So we'll have to keep it brief.
咁我哋咧係會盡量簡短一啲。
So Gadadhar Pandit Prabhu, as we know, he is a member of the Panchatattva.
咁 Gadadhar Pandit Prabhu 咧，我哋知道佢係五聖體嘅其中一個成員嘅。
In all of our temples, on every single altar,
咁喺所有 ISKCON 嘅廟宇嘅祭壇上邊咧，都係有嘅。
and at home,
咁我哋喺屋企都有，
we have the picture of
我哋喺屋
Panchatattva.
企就有幅相啦。
Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is who?
主菜坦耶馬哈巴夫係邊一位？
Who is Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Come.
Lord Krishna and Radha Kumari.
Yeah, Krishna himself,
係
the
Krishna
mood
本
of
人，
Radha.
係喺Radha 嘅心水。
And Lord Nityananda is
咁主 Nityananda 又係邊位咧？
Lord Balaram.
就係主 Balaram。
And Advaita Prabhu is
咁Advaita Prabhu 咧又係邊位咧
Gayatri.
？Lord Shiva and Vishnu，
Mahavishnu, specifically Mahavishnu.
就係 Mahavishnu。
And Gadadhar Prabhu
咁跟住係 Gadadhar Pandit Prabhu，
is
佢係
come.
Radha.
You get extra prasadam today. That's, yeah, Srimati Radharani. He is an expansion of Srimati Radharani.
咁 Gadadhar Pandit 就係Srimati Radharani 嘅擴展。
And Srivas Prabhu,
咁 Srivas Prabhu 咧，
Janava Jivan. Who is Srivas Prabhu from the Panchatattva? What is his other
咁聖體裏
identity?
邊 Srivas Prabhu 係邊位？
Pardon?
I forgot.
You forgot. No prasadam. Or less prasadam. No, it's okay. Pardon? Narada Muni.
咁佢就係 Narada Muni。
Narada Muni.
Narada Muni。
So all of the associates of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they all have their identities in Krishna's Leela also.
咁所有馬哈巴夫嘅同遊咧，喺 Krishna Lila 裏邊咧都有佢哋嘅唔同嘅身份。
Or they have other identities, sometimes, mostly in Krishna's Leela and sometimes in other Leelas.
咁或者其他嘅身份啦，咁大部分都係喺 Krishna 嘅逍遙時光裏邊嘅人物。
And all the Panchatattva, they appear in Kali Yuga.
咁所有五聖體裏邊嘅成員咧，都係喺卡利年代咧係顯現嘅。
Because yesterday, I'm presently hearing some reading of the Chaitanya Charitamrita.
咁琴日咧我就讀咗一啲 Chaitanya 喺 Chaitanya Charitamrita 嗰度讀咗一啲嘅
I think it was maybe yesterday or the day before. Day before. The
Okay.
chapter, I'm on the chapter, the reasons for Lord Chaitanya's appearance.
咁我讀嗰個章節嘅內容咧，就係講主菜坦耶顯現嘅原因。
And it says, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami says, when Lord Krishna came, there was a storehouse of love of Godhead.
咁作者咧 Krishnadas Kaviraj Kaviraj 咧就講，佢話當Krishna 係降凡嘅時候咧，佢有成個寶庫嘅愛嘅。
A storehouse of prema.
一個成個寶庫啊、寶藏嘅一個神嘅愛。
But then after he disappeared, it closed.
咁
The
但係
storehouse, the shop closed.
但係呢個寶庫嘅倉咧，當 Krishna 隱跡嘅時候咧，就鎖起咗啦。
The shop of Krishna Prema closed after the disappearance of Lord Krishna.
咁Krishna 呢一個倉啊，或者佢個店鋪咧，佢隱跡嘅時候咧就鎖起咗。
And then when Lord Chaitanya and the Panchatattva appeared, they broke it open.
咁當主卓坦爺、馬哈夫同埋佢嘅同友顯現嘅時候咧，佢哋就將呢個倉庫咧打開咗。
And they began to distribute the goods freely without charging.
咁佢哋咧就開始咧將裏邊貨倉裏邊啲物件咧就係免費咁派發嘅。
There's one price,
但係有一個價錢要
otherwise free.
要付出嘅，否則所有唔使
What's the
錢。
price?
嗰個價值係乜嘢？
Heidi?
Faith.
Faith. Yes,
就係
that's the
信心。
price.
呢個就係嗰個倉庫裏邊啲物品嘅價錢。
Based upon the degree of faith that we have, to that degree, we will receive the holy name accordingly.
咁我哋就
But the glories of the holy name will be revealed according to the degree of faith that we have.
咁呢個有幾多嘅聖名嘅恩寵俾你咧，就係視乎你付出幾多嘅信心。
And by the holy name, we get everything. Prema.
咁就係透過呢個聖名咧，我哋就得到一切嘅。呢個一切就係我哋對神嘅愛。
So the Panchatattva, which of course includes Gadadhar Prabhu, this is what they did.
咁就係五聖體啦，包括埋 Gadadhar Pandit 啦，就係佢哋就係做呢樣嘢啦。
This morning we mentioned how there's internal reasons and external reasons for Lord Chaitanya's appearance.
咁今朝早咧，我哋就講及咗主將坦爺顯現嘅內在原因啦，同埋外在嘅原因。
The external reasons for Lord Chaitanya's appearance is to distribute the holy name publicly and deliver the conditioned souls by giving them the holy name and Krishna Prema.
咁主將坦爺降凡嘅外在嘅原因咧，就係給予我哋公開地給予我哋呢個聖名，同埋咧就係神嘅愛。
That's the public, the external reason.
咁呢個就係外在嘅原因啦，就係公開嘅。
And in that regard, Nityananda Prabhu is the main assistant of Lord Chaitanya.
咁喺呢一方面咧，主 Nityananda 咧就係最主要嘅助手啊，就係主將坦爺嘅最主要嘅助手。
He specifically, but Lord Chaitanya instructed him to go everywhere and give the holy name and deliver the conditioned souls. That was his primary service.
咁主將坦爺咧就訓示佢咧，去到每一個地方、每一個角落咧，係派發主嘅聖名啦，去拯救嗰啲低待嘅靈魂。
So he very much, or primarily, assisted the Lord in his external reason for appearing.
咁所以主Nityananda 咧最重要嘅任務咧就係協助主將坦爺咧係做呢個公開外在嘅使命。
And therefore, in all of our temples, we have, most of our temples, we have born Nitai deities because we are supposed to be a preaching movement.
咁所以喺我哋大部分嘅廟堂咧，我哋都係安放咗主將坦爺同埋主 Nityananda 嘅神像嘅，因為我哋最主要嘅任務咧就係要傳教。
Distributing the holy name, and in the process, delivering ourselves and others.
咁我哋咧就係分發呢一個嘅聖名啦，咁主要咧就係拯救自己啦，同埋拯救其他人。
So Nityananda Prabhu, among the Panchatattva, he is the primary assistant of Lord Chaitanya for that reason.
咁所以喺五聖體裏邊咧，主 Nityananda 咧就係一個最重要嘅人物咧，係協助主Chaitanya咧係做呢一個嘅使命。
And Gadadhar Prabhu he is one of the assistants to assist Lord Chaitanya in fulfilling his internal reason for his appearance.
咁 Gadadhar Pandit 咧就係其中一個好主要嘅成員咧，就係滿足主彩坦爺內在嘅講法嘅原因。
And what is the internal reason? That's his personal reason.
咁呢個就係內在嘅原因咧，就係主彩坦爺嘅個人嘅原因嚟嘅。
There's the public reason, and then there's the private reason for the Lord's appearance.
咁主彩坦爺降凡咧有一個公開嘅對公眾嘅一個原因嘅。咁而家咧就係一個私人嘅原因。
The private reason is to experience the mood of a devotee.
咁佢內在嘅原因咧就係要嚟咧係經歷或者體驗一下一個奉獻者個心髓。
What does a devotee feel in their love for Krishna?
咁當一個奉獻者係點樣展示佢對主嘅愛咧？佢嘅心髓係點嘅咧？
He doesn't know. That's the one thing he doesn't know.
咁 Krishna 係唯一一樣嘢佢唔知道嘅。
Because he's Krishna. So how will he know?
因為佢係 Krishna，佢點會知道一個奉獻者嘅心髓咧？
So therefore he knows, Krishna knows, I have to accept the mood of a devotee to know that.
咁 Krishna 咧就知道咧，如果佢要知道一個奉獻者嘅心髓，對佢愛嘅心髓係點咧，佢就要成為一個奉獻者。
So that, and among all the devotees, the gopis are considered the most loving devotees. Their prema is the most concentrated.
咁喺奉獻者之中咧，蒙牛姑娘咧被視為咧，佢哋對 Krishna 嘅愛咧係最濃縮嘅。
And among all of them, Srimati Radharani is top.
咁當然喺所有嘅奉獻者之中咧，Srimati Radharani 咧就係至高無上嘅。
So therefore he specifically appears in her mood, with her mood.
所以 Krishna 咧就特定嘅就係顯現為咧 Srimati Radharani 嘅心髓。
And because Gadadhar Pandit Prabhu is Srimati Radharani in another form, as Gadadhar Prabhu, he helps Lord Krishna understand Radha's mood.
咁 Gadadhar Pandit 咧就係以另外一個形象啦，咁佢咧就係主要咧就係協助主彩坦爺咧去理解佢Radharani 嘅心髓。
So he assists the Lord in the internal reason for his appearance.
咁所以咧，佢就係協助主咧係理解佢內在佢降凡內在嘅原因。
A more private reason.
咁呢個係一個好私人嘅原因嘅。
So Gaur-Nitai is very public. That's why Srila Prabhupada established Gaur-Nitai deities in most of our temples, was very public, very open.
咁所以 Gaur-Nitai 咧呢個神像咧就係比較係公開嘅，係俾公眾嘅，因為咧佢哋係要嚟傳教噶嘛。
But as we mentioned this morning, there are also Gaur-Gadadhar deities. Not as many, but there are.
咁今朝早咧，我哋都提過咧，係有啲廟宇咧係有一啲 Gaur-Gadadhar 嘅神像嘅，有一啲但唔係好多廟宇有呢個神像。
Bhaktivinoda Thakur, his personal deities were Gaur-Gadadhar deities.
咁而 Bhaktivinoda Thakur 佢自己崇拜嘅神像咧就係 Gaur-Gadadhar 神像。
And in his home in Mayapur, which is still there, we can find these Gaur-Gadadhar deities. You went there, don't you?
咁如果我哋而家去馬來普去探訪 Bhaktivinoda Thakur 個屋企咧，佢嗰個神像 Gaur-Gadadhar 嘅神像。
And there's a few Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati also established in one or two places.
咁而Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur 咧，亦都喺有一啲嘅廟宇咧，亦都係安放呢個Gaur-Gadadhar 嘅神像。
As I know, some very few ISKCON devotees have Gaur-Gadadhar deities, just a handful, but very privately. It's not like public.
咁以我所知咧，都有好少數嘅ISKCON 嘅奉獻者咧，都會係崇拜 Gaur-Gadadhar 呢個神像，不過係好少數嘅，而且亦都係唔公開嘅。
Because Gaur-Gadadhar is a much more, that worship, that mode of worship is a more personal, private the private reason for Lord Chaitanya's appearance. Therefore, they are not promoted so publicly like that together.
咁因為崇拜呢個神像咧係比較好個人啦，同埋好私人嘅一個崇拜嘅方式嘅。咁正如好似我哋嘅廟宇啦，都係主要都係安放Gaura-Nitai 嘅神像。
Gaura-Nitai is completely public and open, accessible to all, but Gaura-Gadadhar is more personal and intimate and private.
因為Gaura-Nitai 嘅神像咧係比較容易去接近啊，大眾咧都好容易去接受到呢個嘅心髓嘅。咁但係 Gaura-Gadadhar 呢個崇拜嘅心髓咧就比較係好私人嘅，好個人嘅，咁所以就唔係公開。
Among the members of the Panchatattva,
咁佢哋都係喺五聖體裏邊嘅其中嘅成員。
In the Leela, in the earthly Leela,
喺我哋地球嘅逍遙時光咧
Advaita Prabhu was the eldest.
咁 Advaita Prabhu 咧就係最年長嘅。
He was old enough to be Lord Chaitanya's grandfather by age in the Leela, in the earthly Leela.
咁喺地球嘅逍遙時光咧，佢嘅年齡咧係足以咧成為Mahaprabhu嘅祖父嘅。
Of course, in the spiritual world Leela, it doesn't make any difference because everyone's eternal.
咁當然啦，如果喺靈性世界嘅逍遙時光啦，年齡其實冇乜分別嘅，因為係永恆啊嘛。
In the earthly Leela, he is old enough to be the grandfather by age.
咁如果係喺我哋呢個星球嗰個年齡嘅計算咧，佢係足以成為Mahaprabhu嘅祖父。
Next is Srivas Prabhu, who was more or less similar age with Lord Chaitanya's father, Jagannath Mishra.
咁跟住Srivas Prabhu 佢嘅年齡咧就係同Chaitanya Mahaprabhu嘅父親嗰一輩份。
What's his father's name?
佢父親嘅名係咩啊
Asking you.
Jagannath Mishra。
Yes. Yes. And then Nityananda Prabhu was 12 years older.
咁主 Nityananda Prabhu 咧就比主賽坦爺係年長12年。
But Gadadhar Prabhu was same age.
咁 Gadadhar Prabhu 咧就係同年啊，同主賽坦爺係同一個年度。
Same year.
同一個年歲。
They went to the same school together, they grew up together, etc.
咁佢哋咧喺同一間學校返學啦，一齊成長啦。
So I'm going to tell, because of time, I'll just tell two pastimes.
因為時間唔多啊，我就講兩個逍遙時光。
One pastime relates to Gadadhar Prabhu's initiation.
其中一個咧就係有關 Gadadhar Prabhu 嘅啟迪。
As we know, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he revealed himself a little bit later.
咁我哋知道 Mahaprabhu 咧係比較晚啊，遲啲咧先顯現佢嘅真正嘅身份嘅。
It was only the last year in Mayapur that he revealed his nature.
咁差唔多係喺 Mayapur 嘅最後一年咧，佢先至展示佢自己真正嘅身份出嚟。
Before that, he was hiding himself as a child, as a student, as a scholar.
咁之前咧，佢都係將自己嘅身份隱瞞嘅。啲人都當佢係普通嘅孩子啊、學生啊咁樣。
It was only the last 1 or 2 years that he revealed his Sankirtan movement and his mood of a devotee and sometimes as the Supreme Lord. That only happened the last 1 or 2 years of his time in Mayapur, before he took sannyas.
咁至於佢嘅真正身份啦，即係作為至尊人格守神咧，佢就一路都冇展示嘅，直到佢喺 Mayapur 最後嘅1、2年咧，佢先至咧係開始展示佢係奉獻者啦，devotee，然後佢就成立咗呢個 Sankirtan movement 啦，即係呢個邪盡聖明運動啦，然後最後咧就係主賽壇，即係至尊人格守神嘅身份。
So after he revealed himself, then his different associates and devotees from other places, they all came to Mayapur to assist him in the Sankirtan movement.
咁佢當一即係表露咗身份之後咧，佢喺印度唔同地方嘅奉獻者咧就混集去一齊咧係幫佢協助佢進行呢個邪盡聖明運動。
One such devotee was Pundarik Vidyanidhi.
其中一個咧就係Pundarik Vidyanidhi Pundarik Vidyanidhi。
He came from present-day Bangladesh.
佢就係嚟自現代嘅孟加拉係嘛 ？Bangladesh。
And ISKCON obtained the land where he was born and where he lived. They have ISKCON somehow obtained that land, Pundarik Dham, and there's a very large. I haven't been there, but there's a very large ISKCON temple there.
咁而家 ISKCON 咧就係擁有咗呢位人物嘅出生之地啊，咁咯，而家就叫做Pundarik Dham。
So anyway, after Lord Chaitanya revealed himself, among other devotees, Pundarik Vidyanidhi also came to Mayapur to meet Mahaprabhu.
咁當其他嘅奉獻者咧，即係雲集去到幫助主水坦爺嘅時候咧，咁 Pundarik 咧亦都咧嚟到即係協助主水坦爺。
So Mukunda, one of Lord Chaitanya's associates,
咁跟住就係 Mukunda 啦，亦都係主嘅一個同友。
the same Mukunda in the Gora Atik song.
哦，咁我哋喺
Sanjaya Mukunda Vasu, same Mukunda.
咁喺我哋嗰個歌詞裏邊嗰個叫做咩？Gora Atik 嗰個 Mukunda 咧，同一個人物。
He knew Pundarik Vidyanidhi, and he knew he was a great devotee.
咁 Mukunda 咧，佢知道Pundarik Vidyanidhi 咧係一個奉獻者，同埋一個好偉大嘅奉獻者。
So he heard he has come to Mayapur.
哦，咁佢聽聞咧 Pundarik Vidyanidhi 嚟咗 Mayapur。
So he told Gadadhar Prabhu, let's go, a great devotee has come, let's go and meet him.
咁佢就同Gadadhar講，佢話我哋去歡迎呢位人物啦，佢係一個偉大嘅奉獻者。
So Gadadhar Prabhu was very eager, oh, great devotee, let's go.
咁Gadadhar當時咧就好即係好熱情啊，好想去。
So they came to where he was staying.
咁佢哋就去到佢住嘅地方啦。
And Mukunda Prabhu introduced him.
咁Mukunda
Introduced Gadadhar.
咁 Mukunda 咧就將 Gadadhar 介紹俾Pundarik Vidyanidhi。
And immediately Gadadhar Prabhu was very, let's say, disappointed.
咁一見到佢之後咧，Gadadhar咧就有啲失望啊，
Because he was expecting to meet a great devotee.
因為佢期待緊係即係見到一個偉大奉獻者噶嘛。
But this great devotee was a different kind of great devotee.
咁但係呢個眼前呢個奉獻者咧係一個另類嘅奉獻者嚟嘅。
Around, he was sitting on a very opulent asana with cushions and pillows and so many things.
咁佢當時咧就坐咗喺個好富麗堂皇嘅座椅上面啦，又有坐墊啊，又有軟枕啊，咁好多嘢即係佈置嘅。
Dressed very nicely.
咁亦都穿着得好華麗嘅。
And around him, people were fanning.
咁佢左右嘅人咧喺度即係同佢撥扇啊。
His hair was very nicely tied and combed with oil.
咁佢啲頭髮咧就即係上咗油啦、立令啦，然後咧就好整齊咁樣咧係紮起嘅。
And from time to time, he would look in the mirror and
咁佢仲不時咧對住個鏡咧喺度裝扮一下自己喎。
So Gadadhar Prabhu thought, what kind of a great devotee is this?
咁當時Gadadhar咧就諗啦，佢話呢一個係乜嘢類型嘅偉大奉獻者咧？
So Mukunda Prabhu understood his confusion because he understood.
咁 Mukunda 當時咧都理解Gadadhar個心碎點樣反應。
Gadadhar Prabhu by nature was very simple, renounced kind of devotee.
因為Gadadhar本身咧都係一個好氣絕啊、好簡樸嘅奉獻者嚟嘅。
So Mukunda Prabhu understood his confusion or doubt.
咁 Mukunda 咧係明白到Gadadhar當時嘅即係有啲混亂啊，同埋有啲疑惑啊。
So Mukunda, was one of the Lord's singers. He would sing in the kirtans for Lord Chaitanya.
咁當時Mukunda咧係 其中之一個咧喺聖基亞壇裏邊唱歌嘅人。
So he began to sing some prayers from the 10th canto of the Bhagavatam in glorification of Krishna.
咁佢咧就即刻咧就開始唱頌國家雅壇裏邊第10篇嘅一啲嘅詩詞。
Specifically, the prayers of how Krishna delivered Putana, who came to kill him, but the Lord delivered her to Vaikuntha.
咁佢當時咧就係揀咗係特別係唱頌Putana， 係被呢個佢本來係準備去殺 Krishna 噶嘛，但係就為 Krishna 所拯救。
How the Lord is so merciful that He delivered such a person.
咁當時嘅心碎就係話感受到 Krishna 係咁仁慈啊，去即係拯救一個即係咁低墮嘅靈魂。
So he began to sing those prayers.
咁佢就開始係唱出呢一啲嘅禱文。
So upon hearing, Pundarik Vijayanidhi went into an ecstasy.
咁一聽到呢啲嘅詩節嘅唱頌咧，咁 Pundarik Vijayanidhi 咧即刻咧就係墮入咗呢個狂喜嘅心水之中。
He knocked over all the water pots and this and that and began dancing in ecstasy and crying and then suddenly, boom, fainted.
佢即刻咧就起身咧就喺度跳舞啦，打爛晒所有啲樽啊、花樽啊諸如此類啦，然後咧就係即係來來回回咁樣係好狂喜咁樣去表示自己啦。最後咧喺最狂喜嘅時刻之中咧，就突然間咧揼一聲咧就係瞓咗喺度。
He exhibited all the symptoms of ecstasy.
咁佢咧係展示咗所有嘅狂喜之中會出現嘅徵象。
His hair became here and there, no more tidy. Big mess, cushions going here and there.
咁佢啲頭髮咧本來係好整齊噶嘛，而家咧就披頭散髮啦，然後佢啲枕頭啊、嗰啲坐墊咧就即係揈到周圍都係啊，咁樣好混亂一片啊，搞到。
So then Gadadhara Prabhu understood, oops, I judged him too quickly.
咁Gadadhara Pandit咧當堂咧就覺得話：咦，我判斷錯誤咗咯喎，對佢。
I made an offense by doubting his character.
我咧係因為懷疑佢嘅性格啊，所以我係冒犯咗佢咯。
I was thinking he was materialistic kind of devotee, but from this, he's a great devotee, realized with prema.
咁初時咧，我誤會咗佢只係一個好物質主義嘅人啦，但係而家睇見佢呢個咁狂喜嘅跡象咧，就知道佢咧係一個好偉大嘅奉獻者。
So he felt a bit guilty.
咁佢當時咧就有一啲內疚嘅感覺。
And it was only after, I think it said 6 or 9 hours, that Pundarik Vidyanidhi became conscious again. He was in a trance for that long.
咁 Pundarik Vijayanidhi 咧，佢代入咗呢個神定嘅境界咧，有6至9個鐘頭以長，咁佢先醒。
That's how much ecstasy such devotees experience in connection with Krishna.
咁可以想像咧，呢個奉獻者咧同 Krishna 嗰個聯繫咧係有幾深。
In the meantime, Gadadhara Prabhu had left. Mukunda Prabhu, everyone had left.
咁之後咧，佢哋 Mukunda 同埋Gadadhara 咧就離開咗嗰個地方啦。
And Gadadhara Prabhu expressed his mind to Mukunda.
咁佢就向 Mukunda 咧係展露佢自己剛才嗰個心水。
Oh, I think I made an offense. I doubted his character. I should take initiation from him.
咁佢就話我對佢有一種冒犯啊，因為我懷疑佢嘅性格啊，所以咧我係應該向佢請求，同我啟迪。
Take shelter of him and accept initiation, and thus be forgiven for my offense.
咁向佢請求啟迪啦，然後咧就係用呢一個嘅行動咧係希望咧係佢會原諒我嘅冒犯。
He expressed his thoughts also to Lord Chaitanya, who said yes.
佢亦都將呢一個嘅心水咧係透露俾主張坦爺知道。 咁主想坦爺都贊成佢咁樣做。
And then the next time Mukunda took Gadadhar Prabhu to Pundarik Vijayanidhi and revealed Gadadhar's thoughts.
咁所以咧，跟住Mukunda 咧就帶 Gadadhar 去見 Pundarik Vijayanidhi 啦，然後咧就係、透露佢所有嘅內心嘅情緒情感。
Gave him initiation.
咁於是咧就成就咗啦，於是 Pundarik Vijayanidhi 咧就係、啟迪咗。
And who was Pundarik Vijayanidhi in Krishna's Leela?
咁 Pundarik Vijayanidhi 喺 Krishna 嘅逍遙時光係邊一位人物啊？
Because remember, all of Lord Chaitanya's associates, most of them have their identities, eternal identities in Krishna's Leela or other Leelas, but mostly in Krishna's Leela, in Vrindavan.
咁我哋記住一點就係話喺主想坦爺嘅逍遙時光裏邊咧，大部分嘅人物咧都係喺 Krishna 嘅逍遙時光度出現，大部分。
So in Krishna's Leela, who was Pundarik Vijayanidhi?
咁係佢係喺 Krishna 嘅逍遙時光嘅邊一位？
Vrishabhanu Maharaj.
哦，就係 Vrishabhanu Maharaj。
And who is Vrishabhanu Maharaj?
咁 Vrishabhanu Maharaj 又係邊位啊？
Pardon?
It's Radharani's father.
Yes, Srimati Radharani's father,
咁就係 Srimati Radharani 嘅父親。
who came as Pundarik Vijayanidhi in Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela and became the guru of Gadadhar Prabhu. So quite appropriate relationship.
咁佢喺Krishna 嘅逍遙時光，佢就係Srimati Radharani 嘅父親啊嘛。咁而喺主想坦爺嘅逍遙時光咧，佢就係好似一個老師咁俾啟迪佢。咁所以咧，其實都係好貼切嘅個身份。
We're going to finish at 1:30.
我哋1點半。
The program says 1:45, and it's too late for lunch. So we'll finish at 1:30.
咁我哋提早。
So that's a very well-known pastime.
咁呢個其實係一個好出名嘅逍遙時光。
Another pastime towards the end of his Leela, Gadadhar Prabhu remained in Jagannath Puri.
咁另外一個逍遙時光咧，就係、差唔多佢晚年啊，佢隱息之前嘅。咁佢當時咧就喺 Jagannath Puri。
Because he knew Lord Chaitanya would be here, so I'll stay in Jagannath Puri.
因為佢知道主想坦爺咧會長時間留喺 Jagannath Puri。
So he stayed in a garden area.
佢就係、住喺一啲花園咁上下嘅地方。
Everybody stayed. The monks all stayed in garden-like areas.
咁所有嘅出家人都係會住喺一啲好似花園咁嘅地方。
With a little hermitage.
咁有一啲嘅茅屋仔啊。
So at one point during his time in Jagannath Puri, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu found a Krishna deity, Gopinath, a Gopinath deity, in that same area.
咁有一次咧，主想坦爺咧就喺佢住個附近嘅地方咧，就發現咗 Krishna 嘅一個神像。
Lord Chaitanya found some stone sticking out of the ground and moving the sand and earth away. They found the deity.
咁就係主想坦爺咧喺佢屋企附近發現有啲石頭啦，於是就掘開啲石頭咧，就發現咗有一個神像喺度。
And gave him to Gadadhar Prabhu to worship, the Gopinath deity.
咁咧呢個就係 Gopinath deity 啊，咁佢就將呢個神像咧俾Gadadhar去崇拜。
Tota Gopinath.
呢個佢嘅名咧就係 Tota Gopinath。
You haven't been to Jagannath Puri yet?
Puri, I can't go to Jagannath obviously because
Did you go to the Tota Gopinath temple?
I may have. Before I came to this country.
Oh, then maybe you didn't.
I
Because
went to some of that.
Yeah.
I don't know how I wouldn't know.
it's a very Gaudiya kind of temple. So if you weren't aware of Gaudiya Vaishnavism, you may not have gone there.
咁而家呢個廟即係放 Tota Gopinath 呢個廟咧，就係好 Gaudiya 嘅風格嘅，可能唔係好似 ISKCON 嘅廟嘅。
So he was worshipping. For the whole time he was there in Jagannath, very beautiful deity. Tota Gopinath deity.
就係崇拜呢個 Tota Gopinath 啦，咁係一個好靚嘅神像嚟嘅，大嘅。
Oh, why Tota? Tota means garden in Oriya.
Tota 嘅意思咧就係喺東方咧就係解釋係花園。
In Oriya.
In Oriya.
Orissa language.
喺 Orissa 嘅。
So Tota means garden in Orissa language. So because the deity appeared in the garden, the Lord gave him the name Tota Gopinath.
Tota Gopinath 喺 Oriya 呢個地方解釋咧就係花園。Oriya。
It's a state, no, like Bengal and Orissa. 就係一個係咪省啊？省一個省 ，Orissa 係一個省，咁就係 Orissa 嘅語言啊，就係解釋係花園。So Gadadhar Prabhu was worshipping Lord Gopinath for, probably at least 20 years or more. The whole time he was in Jagannath Puri. 咁佢喺 Jagannath Puri 20年裏邊咧，差唔多咧，佢都係一路都係崇拜緊呢一個神像。After Lord Chaitanya, although Gadadhar Prabhu was similar age, but after Mahaprabhu disappeared, it is said also, sometimes said that Lord Chaitanya disappeared by entering into this deity. 咁據說咧係主出坦爺咧，就佢隱跡咧就係透過即係進入咗呢一個神像嗰個身體裏。But after Chaitanya Mahaprabhu disappeared, out of separation, Gadadhar Prabhu aged very quickly because the separation was too unbearable for him. So his body just shriveled up. 咁喺主上坦爺隱跡之後咧，因為分離之情咧係太過強烈啦，所以Gadadhar咧就老得好快啊！突然間咧就差唔多好似收縮咁樣，老得好快咯。The deity is quite a tall deity. 咁而佢崇拜呢個神像咧都好高㗎，好高大嘅呢個神像。So Gadadhar Prabhu expressed his difficulty in dressing, because you have to stand and raise your hands and so on. 咁Gadadhar咧當時咧就已經覺得咧係崇拜呢個神像嘅時候，要同佢着衫啊、戴花環咧係有啲力不從心啊。But because Gadadhar Prabhu was so anguished because of separation from Lord Chaitanya, and his body just became shriveled, he didn't have the strength or the physical ability to stand for so long to dress Lord Gopinath, Tota Gopinath. 咁就係因為呢個同主將坦爺嘅分離之情係咁強烈咧，亦都係咁猛烈咧，佢個身體啊，佢個軀體咧已經係變得係好虛弱啦，又收縮啦，所以咧佢都冇足夠嘅氣力咧，企咁耐咧嚟去即係服侍神像啊、着衫啊、戴花環啊，或者裝飾佢嘅身體啊咁樣。So he expressed his difficulty to Gopinath. 咁佢就將佢呢一種嘅狀況咧，就向Gopinath呢個神像咧係傾訴。Who responded? Okay, I'll sit down. 咁神像咧就話：好啦，冇問題，我坐低啦。And he did. 咁真係喎，呢個神像真係原本係好高大企喺度咧，個神像坐低。So the deity is a sitting deity. 哦，咁所以咧呢個神像 The deity is sitting, cross-legged. 係，咁咧就係翹住腳坐低嘅。You never find deities sitting, either lying, as in the Narayana forms, or standing. You never find sitting deities. 我哋冇見過一個神像咧係會坐低嘅，最多咧係會即係躺低咧，瞓喺度啦，好似 Narayana 咁樣啦。But Gopinath is sitting. 咁但係Gopinath咧個神像咧就係坐低喺度。And even sitting, he's quite a big deity. So standing, he could have been. Oh, he could have been 6 feet, 6 to 7 feet, I think, quite, because even sitting, he's quite bigger than the average deity that we have in our temples. 總之，就算佢坐低咧，都係好大個嘅神像嘅，係即係大過晒所有我哋廟嗰啲神像。所以佢如果企喺度嘅時候咧，可能有6、7尺高嘅。And we went there. You came with us. You did. So on.
Yeah. It's a big regret.
Yeah, in just before COVID, you came with us. No. We went just before COVID in 2000. I had always wanted to go to Rath Yatra in Jagannath Puri. So finally I decided, okay, 2019 we're going. So we went with some devotees from Hong Kong, the mainland, and Taiwan.
嗰年係2019年啊，最後即係張宣嘅爸爸就決定咗係去Jagannath Puri
for Rath Yatra.
係特別參加當時嘅彈車節
which was more than a wonderful experience.
You always mention.
Yeah. It just so happened. Yeah.
嗰次嘅朝聖咧，哇！真係超班嘅真係。
It just so happened, everyone was saying, "Oh, it's so hot, it's so hot, it's so crowded, it's so crowded." It just so happened it wasn't hot on the Rath Yatra day, and nor was it crowded on the Rath Yatra day for this particular year.
特別喺嗰年咧，因為奉獻者咧之前都覺得係好熱啊，又好多人啊咁啊。咁但係喺嗰次嘅彈車節咧，居然咧係唔熱喎，又唔多人喎。
And the Rath Yatra ended quicker than it usually does. It was over in 3 to 4 hours. Sometimes it takes days or the whole day.
而嗰次嘅彈車節咧，就係比平時一般嘅彈車節咧係快完結咗好多，3、4個鐘頭已經完嘅。但係平時嚟講咧，要幾日㗎，3、4日先完嘅。
Anyway, one of the days we went to the Tota Gopinath temple for Mangalarti.
咁我哋咧就揀咗一日咧，係去呢個 Tota Gopinath 呢個廟宇咧，係去做呢個 Mangalarti。
And after Mangalarti, like here, they undress the deities to bathe and dress.
咁就好似我哋一樣啦，即係 Mangalarti 嘅時候咧，佢哋咧就係同神像沐浴啊。
So we went for Mangalarti a little bit later, maybe 5 or 6, something like that.
咁我哋都晏咗去㗎啦，都成5、6點先去到個廟㗎啦。
And after Mangalarti, they undress the deities for bathing and
佢哋
dressing.
佢哋做完 Mangalarti 呢個吉祥燈儀之後咧，就同神像咧係除咗啲衫咧就沐浴啊。
So if you're fortunate, they allow you to go in to get darshan of the deity after he's undressed, but before the bathing.
咁如果我哋好彩嘅話咧，佢哋咧係會容許我哋咧去覲見神像咧，喺佢即係除咗衫之後，而咧係未曾去做神像沐浴之前。
So you get to see the deity undressed.
咁所以咧嗰次係有機會見到神像咧係冇衫嘅，冇衫着。
So we had some special fortune.
所以我哋其實嗰次咧真係有一啲好獨特嘅幸運啊！
Of course, we paid a donation.
咁當然啦，我哋梗係要有啲捐獻啦。
That's part of the fortune.
呢個就係我哋其中之即係幸運嘅地
And
方。
some other ISKCON devotees, I think they were from Mumbai. A group of them had come also.
咁另外有一組人咧，亦都係嚟朝聖啦，佢哋應該係喺孟買嚟嘅。
And they set up a sound system and were singing this prayer, Gopinath prayer, which is also by Bhaktivinoda Thakur.
咁佢哋咧就有一啲嘅即係音響設備啦。我哋當時咧就唱呢一首歌啊，就係唱 Gopinath 嗰首歌，亦都係 Bhaktivinoda Thakur 作嘅一
He
首歌。
wrote this prayer, Gopinath prayer.
Gopinath,
Beautiful prayer in the songbook, we find it.
咁呢首歌好優美嘅，我哋歌書有。
So they were singing this prayer. It was divine.
咁
It
就係
was
呢
out of this, the tune, the music. It was just another dimension. It was incredible.
咁佢哋咧就唱呢首高片蘭咧，哇！簡直咧好似天樂咁啊，好神聖嘅，係另外一個調子啊，另外一啲心水啊咁樣。總之咧就係一個無與倫比嘅一個聽覺嘅經驗。
Just how they put the whole thing together and the rhyming and the singing, it was just, it transported you, literally. It really did. It was amazing.
咁佢哋用咗一種方法去押韻啊，同埋嗰個調子啊，所有呢啲嘢組合埋一齊咧，簡直咧係令到你咧係即係
And there we were in the Tota Gopinath temple, having the darshan of the deity, this close, not dressed, and that prayer was being sung. spiritual world. It was just amazing.
當時我哋嘅感覺咧，即係包括我哋好近距離咁咧，係近見到Tota Gopinath 係未有穿任何衣服嘅，然後再加埋呢一首Gopinath呢一首歌咧，哇！嗰陣時嘅感覺咧，簡直係喺靈性世界。
And very beautiful deity, black stone. He's made from black stone or maybe black marble. Black marble. Very beautiful deity. Very big also.
係美麗，即係超級嘅美麗啦。總之係用黑色嘅大理石咧做成㗎。
It was another otherworldly experience.
呢個咧就係一個好似係一個唔係喺呢個世界嘅一種經驗。
And this is the deity that Gadadhar Prabhu worshipped until his. Now the worship, of course, is continued quite nicely. They take care of it. Sometimes they don't take care of deities so nicely. Some temples. Yes, but in this temple they maintain the worship quite nicely, which was always nice to see.
咁呢個咁美麗嘅神像就係Gadadhar Pandit喺度崇拜緊嘅。咁而家佢哋都一路係即係做緊呢個崇拜，而且嗰個標準都一路維持得好好嘅。
Gopinath with Srimati Radharani and I guess Lalita Devi.
Gopinath 係同埋 Srimati Radharani 同埋 Lalita。You mean the temple?
The deity.
Gopinath
deity, Lord Krishna, and then Srimati Radharani and Lalita Devi.
咁喺嗰個廟咧就有 Tota Gopinath 啦，然後有 Srimati Radharani 同埋 Lalita。
Yes.
I have a question. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu found Gopinath, I'm wondering about this. Is there something about the form which indicates that it's Gopinath particularly? And does the Gopinath form have a certain characteristic so we would know it's Gopinath versus another form of Krishna?
Probably. Yeah. Sorry, you can translate.
Can you
How
louder, please?
Tom asked how, because the name is Gopinath. Why not Govinda, Gopal? Is there something about the deity's form that indicates he's Gopinath? Why that name?
即係話個問題就係話點解個神像叫 Gopinath 咧，而唔係 Krishna 咧？佢係咪個身體有一啲嘅特徵咧，就係令到咧係有呢一個名
？Probably, yes, but I don't know.
係有嘅，係有啲特徵嘅。
It could have been Mahaprabhu's own mood. I would understand it more like that, because Mahaprabhu's mood was Gopinath, the Lord of the Gopis. That was the internal mood that he was relishing. So based upon his mood, I believe he named the deity accordingly. I think that would be the reason I'm aware of anyway.
咁應該咧就係馬哈達夫嘅心水啊，因為當時馬哈達夫咧就係佢就係牧牛姑娘嘅主人啊嘛，咁所以咧佢就係用呢個心水去發現咗呢個神像咧，佢就係用呢個心水咧嚟去投射落去，所以咧就有呢個改咗呢個名。
So we'll finish. We didn't say anything today now about Bhaktivinoda Thakur because of time, but Bhaktivinoda Thakur worshipped Gaur Gadai.
咁 Bhaktivinoda Thakur 咧就係崇拜Gadadhar 嘅，所以咧佢嘅神像咧叫做 Gaur Gadadhar，
Gaur Gadai.
或者咧叫做 Gaur Gadai。
Like we have the short for Nityananda is Nitai, so the short for Gadadhar is Gadai.
咁正如好似我哋主宰主 Nityananda， 我哋就叫做 Nitai。咁 Gadadhar 咧嗰個親密嘅稱呼咧就係 Gadai。
And it's significant that he passed away also. Bhaktivinoda Thakur passed away on the disappearance day of Gadadhar Pandit Prabhu.
咁有一個重點咧就係話Bhaktivinoda Thakur咧就係啱啱喺 Gadadhar 引職當日咧，佢就係離開咗世，離開咗。
Jai Shri Shri Gadadhar Pandit Prabhu Ki Jai. Jai Shri Shri Gaur Gadai Ki Jai. Jai Shri Shri Gadadhar Pandit Prabhu Tirobhadati Mahotsav Ki Jai. Jai Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur Tirobhadati Mahotsav Ki Jai. Hare Krishna.